Hello, welcome to International Academy of Holistic Sciences. This is demo class for Diploma in Mudra Therapy. Introduction to Mudra Therapy. Do you want an easier therapy to manage your diseases? Are you tired of going to doctor for every small disease? You do not want to take medicine with lot of side effects. You do not wish to incur lot of expenditure on medicines. Do you wish to have simple, economic, no side effects therapy to take care of you? If the answer to all the above is yes, then Mudra therapy is for you. Mudra is a term with many meanings. It is used to signify a gesture, a mystical position of the hands. A simple gesture like bending, crossing, extending, or touching of fingers with other fingers can effectively influence our body and our mind. Here, mudra means touching of the fingers with one another. This kind of the mudra you will learn. For purpose of mudra therapy, the art of touching one finger of the hand with another finger in a particular way and position has been defined as mudra. For treating various diseases, fingers of hand are touched with one another in different positions. Mudra is a very exact and scientific yogic function by which one can develop and even change one's internal and external disposition with mental, that is anger, emotional disturbance, intelligence, etc., spiritual, concentration, meditation, or physical, various diseases or illnesses. Mudra's effect changes in veins, tendons, glands, and sense organs. Mudras need no prior preparation. Mudras are literal remote control switches bringing quick and effective changes. Constant practice of mudras can stop or slow down the destructive changes in the human body. Mudras affect your nervous system through the stimulation of nerve endings in the hands. Mudras generally do not use the kind of deep pressure associated with reflexology or acupressure, but similar principles may be in place. In fact, mudras are the controllers of our body and they help various organs and elements within the human body. The elements can help to awaken various chakras seated in the body. Syllabus. Lesson 1. Mudra therapy is explained. Characteristics of 5 elements explained. How to perform mudras. Lesson 2. It gives you mudras as per elements. You know elements are space, fire, air, earth and water. As per naturopathy, a disease occurs due to imbalance in these elements which exist in our body. So, if an element is excessive, it has to be sedated. That means toned down, decreased or weakened. And if an element is deficient, it has to be tonified. That means increased or strengthened for proper functioning of body. Properties of these 5 elements will be explained so that you can find out an imbalance of which element causes which disease. You can just understand it by example. If you have piles, that is a fire problem. Heat is more. So we have to use cool. That means we should use water. And mudra which resemble the water mudras. Like these things taken, these are the helps of the 5 elements, imbalance of which causes the disease or disorder in the body. These are the mudras as per 5 elements. Kashvartak, When means Vardak, it means Akash tonification. We are strengthening the space. It is also called Akash Mudra. Akash Shamak, when we say Shamak, it is sedation. Vardak, Shamak are Hindi words. For English person, tonification and sedation. Tonification I have explained. When we want to increase it, tonify it, that is tonification. When we want to decrease it, weaken it, then it is sedation. So Vayu Vardak, Vayu Shamak, Prithvi Vardak, Prithvi Shamak, Jal Vardak, Jal Shamak. So are the all five elements. Their tonification and their sedation have different mudras, and these are explained along with their properties, where to use them and how to use them. Lesson 3, mudras have been explained as per yoga. In yoga, there are prana, apana, spana, udan, vayu. There are 5 kinds of vayu. So as per yoga, prana is the life force in our body. This prana is divided into 5 vayus. Prana vayu, apana vayu, samana vayu, udana vayu, and vayana vayu. An imbalance in these also causes disease in the body. As explained above, these have to be controlled for body functioning. Properties of these 5 vayus will be explained so that you can find out an imbalance of which vayu causes which disease. These are the prana mudra, pran vayu mudra, apan mudra, apan vayu mudra, sman vayu mudra, udan vayu mudra, udan vayu. Lesson 4. Now mudras are explained as per Ayurveda. Ayurveda, there are 3 bodily humors which are in our body. They are called Vata, Pitta and Kapha. An imbalance in these causes diseases. Properties of these will be explained to enable you to find out excess or deficiency of which humor causes which disease. These 3 humors are combination of 2 elements each, as given below. Vata is the combination of space and air. Pitta is the combination of fire and water, and Kapha is the combination of water and earth. Then lesson 5, following mudra will be explained for this. So as per Ayurveda, these are the mudras. Vata mudra, Vata nashak. Nashak means which destroys, that means decreases. Karak, Karak means air vardak, which increases. Pitta nashak, Vat plus Pit shamak. Shamak you have already understood, it is decreasing. Vat plus Kapha shamak, Pit plus Kapha. These mudras are given. Then last some mixed mudras are given. For different diseases, these mudras are given. For asthma, bronchial, hakini, mrikshira, pushan, ashwini, mrigi, shanka, gyan, abhay, dhyan, matangi, ling, etc. Lesson 7. Mudras for common diseases. More than 250 diseases are covered. Where required, disease symptom have also been given. So it is an Excel file. When you open it on one side, the list of the diseases is there. So see the disease, and on the right columns you will find the mudras. Which mudra have to use as per Ayurveda or what, yoga or elements. So you can decide which one to be used. That is a ready reckoner for you. For understanding the lessons, please understand the following Hindi terms. Space is Akash, fire is Agni, air is Vayu, earth is Prithvi, water is Jal. Vardak means which tonifies, increases or strengthens. Shamak means which sedates, decreases or weakens. Karak also means Vardak. Nashak also means Shamak. Kash Vardak or Akash Karak, space tonification, increasing. Akash Shamak or Akash Nashak, space sedation. These are the image of mudras. Like this you see. Then you see this mudra, Vat Nashak mudra, and this is Ling mudra. Sorry, they have been disaligned, it seems. And this is the Ling mudra. Procedure is on you get 6 video class links and 6 text lessons in PDF format. One lesson is XLS, that is Excel form, which will help you find out which mudra to be used for which disease. On receipt of fee, complete study material, video, text lessons are sent through email. If there is any other query, my email address is given above or on all the lessons. Please write to me and you will receive the clarification. Thank you. I close this.